I am so excited for this video because this is something I have never done before in my motorcycling career, and I am officially taking an off-road motorcycle adventure class with Harley-Davidson and Pan America. So in this video, I'm going to take you guys through the process of learning how to ride ADV bikes. We're going to be taking instruction. I'm going to be learning everything I possibly can. We're going to be staying close to the compound. We are here at Zakar, and tomorrow we're actually going to be taking these bikes off-road and exploring the Mojave Desert. So if you guys are excited to learn something new, please hit that like button and continue watching this video. So this is my motorcycle that I will be learning on today. Every single Pan America here is the Pan America Special. They all have the adaptive ride height. I believe this is the low seat, but I have already been fitted for this motorcycle and I can flat foot this bike comfortably. Now you will notice these bikes have been through it, you guys. Those scratches were already there, and I have been told multiple times that you will drop the bike, and we're gonna celebrate it. So coming from a cruiser background and a tarmac rider background, that is the absolute worst thing for any rider, is to drop their motorcycle. So it's just ingrained in my head that that's such a bad thing to do. So let's see if we can celebrate a drop today. Got my pants on, my boots, I got my jacket and helmet, gloves obviously. And it's time to start learning how to ride an ADV bike. All right, yes, red helmet is back. They took my mirrors off so I can't see if my GoPro is recording. All right guys, this already feels so crazy to me. Just this kind of gear that I'm in feels so foreign to me, and need to keep a humble mindset about today. Oh, very first time riding on an ADV bike. Ooh, this is scary. Okay. Oh boy. This is a whole new world for me, you guys. Trying not to be tense. Yeah, that sandy, silty stuff is what's scary. Already I have learned so much today, and we haven't even started implementing it into practice, and I can't even tell you guys, I'm trying so hard to stay like relaxed and calm and remember that we're learning and accidents are gonna happen, and that's fine. But it's still scary. My heart is pounding. I can't shift. Okay, God, this is crazy. I can't do anything when I'm standing. All right. Let's see what they're doing. Loosen up. I can't loosen up. I gotta loosen up. Ah! I can't do it. I am struggling. Where the f is neutral? Dude, I'm struggling with this. This is hard.
In what way? What do you have trouble with?
I just like, I don't know how to shift. I don't know how to do anything.
With these bikes, a lot of times you'll just pick a gear and you stay in there.
I know, I had to sit down to shift.
You'll get used to doing it, like pulling your foot under after time.
All right, one leg up. Ugh. This is difficult. I can't, man, you guys, this is so hard for me. Okay, everyone else is doing their laid kicks. I'm still just trying to get a grip on balancing this motorcycle while standing. So the thing I notice that I'm struggling with right now, and I'm not doing a lot of talking in this video because I am so focused and I just have to remind myself to breathe, but the electric throttle is a bit twitchy, and so I feel very inadequate to be able to do throttle control, friction zone, stuff like that while I'm on, like, standing up like this. And obviously I know that just needs to come with practice, but this is my very, 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 very first time off-road on a motorcycle capable for this. So to me, it's a whole new world, guys.
Maintain your momentum. You'll make it through the sand. Even if the bike jumps around a little bit, let it. And just keep going, okay?
All right, here we go, moment of truth, hitting sand. Okay, so I had to shift it up into second gear because that first gear is a little crazy. We are just taking it nice and slow. I have Lolly up in front of me, and I love seeing her little tire get all squirrely. Woo! All right, stay loose, Jess, breathe. Eyes up. I am looking right at Lolly's cute little white book bag. All right, loosen up, loosen up. Oh. Loosen. Oh boy. It's my natural instinct to want to sit down. I think I need to break that. All right. Catch up to the group now. Let her dance, baby. Let your dancing partner dance. Oh my gosh. This cruiser girl did not know what she was getting herself into.
All right, keep your eyes peeled on Bob's rear wheel. Watch his body position. That is a rear wheel skid. He stayed standing until the bike was stopped. You want to stay standing the entire time until the bike stops.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, go ahead.
All right, we are doing a quick brake test.
I remember when you smash on that brake, you smash on that brake. You didn't lock your tire.
Oh.
Make sure you hit that.
Okay.
Make sure you smash on it.
Okay.
Eyes up, smash on it, weight back.
Okay. I will do that. Did I do it that time?
Better just commit to locking up the brake, keep your eyes up, and it'll stop straight. If the back end wiggles a little bit, it'll continue straight.
Okay.
It's good. Not bad. 2 fingers.
Okay.
And just mash the brake.
Cool.
One more time, and you'll round that back in.
All right.
Perfect.
Thanks.
The bike went straight because you were looking up.
I tried.
Good job.
Thank you.
So turn around, park behind them.
So we are continuing on with the quick stops, and I must say I'm doing pretty well. I think it's because I get to stand up and go in a straight line. It's not too terribly difficult, but let's go ahead and get the bike going.
The drill that your brain is telling you don't do that.
Okay.
But what we're telling you is yes, do that.
Okay.
All right, so what we're going to do is that same speed that you did the last one with, make sure your weight is back before you start. He drops his hand, you're going to forcefully apply the front brake.
Front brake.
Don't be afraid of that front brake.
Okay.
We're going to try and activate the ABS.
Okay.
All right?
And I'm in the right mode?
Yes, you are.
All right.
All right, you're doing great so far.
Thank you.
Not screw it up now.
I know. I hope not.
Trust what we're telling you.
I do. Thank you.
Okay. Okay,
Cool.
off you go.
All right, we are doing front brake stopping. Gonna make sure to keep my butt as far back when I do this and keep the bike going straight.
Really mash on them.
Did I? It felt like it.
I mean, you stopped quick, but they didn't lock.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see the
I thought I felt it, but I believe it. So, all right.
All right, other than that, good job.
Thank you. All right. We're going to really mash it, you guys. Really mash it. Sorry.
What'd you do?
I twisted the throttle on accident trying to mash the front brake.
That's okay. Usually that means you're using 4 fingers.
Oh.
That's what happens when you do it. So just 2 fingers.
2.
And firm, aggressive stop. And you'll love it. It'll stop like on a dime.
Perfect. Third time's gonna be a charm. Thank you. 2 fingers. 2 fingers. Come on. Lock up that front wheel. Lock it up. You can do it. It's more difficult for sure.
Yeah, you can actually put more brake into that.
Yeah, I believe it.
But you did good. You went straight. That was good.
Cool.
Good job.
Thank you. I can't do the turning. All right, we will continue to learn today. So for this little exercise, we are doing big loops.
Hips over this way. Now hips over the other way. To your right. There you go. Now hips to your left. Keep your body to the outside. But looking good. There you go.
Whew, this is hard.
All right, how you feel?
I think okay.
Just remember your body position in the turns, right? Keep it nice and slow, work your clutch. Don't try and do it with the clutch all the way out. You'll be going too fast.
Okay.
And just relax, look through your turns, don't stare at the cones. Off you go.
Maybe. Woo! Shot that one a little wide. This is so difficult. So what we are working on right now is learning how to position our body weight around these cones. Gravel, not that bad. It's not too bad doing it on gravel. The sand, that is a bit tricky. I am not gonna lie, the sand is a bit tricky. So here we go. You can see how they're staggered. And when I go around the first one, I throw all of my weight and my hip way out to the right. And then I switch. All right, made it through. And it's actually been helping me with my U-turn. So right here at the end of the driveway, I struggled with the U-turns. I couldn't do it without sitting down. And now I just shift my weight. Learn something new every day. My clutch hand is definitely getting a workout though. Oh my God. We're gonna do this next. Ride down that little dip and then up and over.
That looks very,
Kind of scary, huh?
that does look scary. That looks very fucking scary.
Are you ready?
No. This looks pretty scary, I'm not gonna lie.
I know. What did we get ourselves into? I need to quit agreeing to do these things.
Literally, this is probably the scariest thing you've done.
Build some momentum to carry me up this hill.
Oh, screw that. Oh man, I don't know about this one.
This is gonna be fun. Oh, I'm scared. Here we go. All right.
It's not a steep hill, just nice. You can just go down gradually, 2 fingers on the front brake, nice and light.
Okay.
Up on the page. On the page.
Ah! Oh my God, that was terrifying. Oh my God. All right, now we're heading over to the place called Whoop-de-Whoops. Whoop-de-doos. And then I looked up and all I saw was the oh man.
Alright, let's hop off.
Does this count as a drop?
It didn't go down.
Alright.
It's best to go. Just pull it out.
I crashed into a bush, guys.
Yeah, let's start it up again, and you and I pull and gas at the same time. You can do the clutch, I'll do the gas. This will be interesting.
Teamwork! Oh my gosh. Thanks, guys. Let's do it. Oh shit, I accidentally shut the bike off. Sorry. Are they holding it? Oh, everyone's waiting for me. Okay.
Clutch in, 2 fingers. Easy on the
Woo! Yay! Well, that was an adventure. Totally crashed into a bush. All right, but you know what? I don't want to jinx myself, but this is starting to feel pretty good. A little bit. Mad props to all you adventure riders. This is not for the faint of heart. My goodness. Woo! I don't want to do that stuff. Well, I did that one. I crashed into a bush. Yeah. That's why I got separated, because I high-sided myself on a bush. We couldn't get it off because it was on the skid plate.
Did you come off the bike?
No, I stayed right on it.
Still keeping the perfect record.
Yep. Didn't drop the bike.
Drops yet?
No.
Nice. Keep it up.
Watch, I'll drop it when we get back to the compound. Just doop. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like nothing I've ever experienced. All right, well, we officially survived the training course, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was unlike anything I've ever experienced in my entire life. You have no idea. I was terrified, I was exhilarated. I learned so much about myself and about riding, and what an amazing experience. So currently we're heading out to a beautiful photo op location just to kind of wrap up this ride. So this is the very first time I've been on the bike today and actually gotten up to speed, got to experience the road, and what a day. That was the very first time I have ever had any kind of proper off-road training, and I think the one thing that I don't know that I actually talked about it in this video, as soon as we took off, and the very first time we hit road and I had to stand up, I was like, what the hell did I get myself into? I'm gonna kill myself. I didn't know how to shift, I didn't know how to brake, I didn't know how to do anything, I didn't know how to steer, and I can absolutely 100% say this amazing machine did half of that work for me. I think my favorite drills from today were the emergency braking. Honestly, I was so good at that because you go in a straight line. It was awesome. Go in a straight line, get up to speed, mash on the brakes. Solid. Like I said, everything I've learned today has just gone, it's been amazing. I did crash into a bush. That was pretty awesome. Technically did not drop the bike though. Woo, this is just so fun. It feels so good. I got so excited when they told us that we were taking the highway. I was like, oh, we get to take the highway? That's my favorite thing. The responsiveness of this motor is unreal, you guys. This was her two wheels, my very first time taking a motorcycle off-road, and it was actual off-road. I mean, we did gravel, we did sand, we did silt and hills. Oh, it was wild. But the one thing I did learn is that this is an absolutely amazingly capable machine. It is heavy for an off-road motorcycle, I will say, but damn, dude, the bike just does all the heavy lifting for you. This is amazing! And look, I'm implementing real life things I learned today. I learned that I can mash on the foot. Well, actually, I'm not in off-road mode right now. I'm in road mode still. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, what an absolutely amazing experience. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I actually enjoyed making it. So we are going to hop back on the bikes, head back over to camp, enjoy a nice dinner and relax. So if you want to see more videos from this Harley-Davidson Pan America event, just subscribe to my channel, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Huge shout out to Zakar and Harley-Davidson for inviting me to this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And until my next video, you be good. And I'll see you later. Woohoo! Off we go! Oh, eyes up, eyes up. There we go. Yes, girl. Oh, cannot believe I just did that road. Holy shit.
Lolly, are you good?